Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off your memories in Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. I will show you the two steps or two methods to turn off go to Messenger and go to main menu and then settings, and then you will see over here down menu over here you will see two this menu over here like sounds and notification, or notification and sounds, and at the end of this you will see memories, and you can simply click on that and turn this off and then go back. Or like if you don't find any option over here like memories, you have to simply go to notification and sounds and then scroll all the way up, and you will see at the end memories. Click on that and you can see over here this memory notification, or like this memories are off. And if you want to turn this off, you can simply click on that toggle to turn this off, and that's it. That's how you can turn off autosave like memories that you have with your friends, and it will not be able to save in your albums or like photos or the gallery. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.